Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making aubergine masala. We're going to be using the paste that we've already made in our other video, and we're going to put the link to that in the description box below.
The other ingredients we're going to be using today is a bit of olive oil, 1 onion, 2 aubergines or eggplants, and we've used about 4 potatoes which we've parboiled there, which are going to add into this masala. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our oil into the pan, and we're going to start our, just let that heat up, and we're going to start our onions off cooking. So we've got our onion cut up, and we're just going to get that cooking and let that cook down. What we do now is we're going to start chopping our aubergine. We're going to make it into little diced pieces to add in with the onions, and then the next stage will be adding in our homemade masala paste. So now everything's cooking down, our onions are cooked down, we've added our aubergine into there, and what we're going to do is we're going to add in 2 good tablespoons of our paste. So we've cooked our aubergine and onion down in our paste. What we're going to do now is we're going to add in a tin of tomatoes. You could use fresh tomatoes if you wanted to, but that's what we had in our kitchen, so that's what we're going to be using. What we've done is we pre-boiled our potatoes, and we're going to add these in to our aubergine masala. So here we've got our tasty aubergine masala with our own masala paste.
We hope that you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, then like it, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to press the notification bell.
Bye!